Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kes. I hope you're all doing amazing. I'm doing well. I have a beautiful wig installed and it was super easy, so stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Ashimary Hair. I love their wigs and I'm usually reviewing a ponytail wig by them and some sort of yaki or curly hair, so I'm pleasantly surprised and impressed, and I'm super excited to be reviewing this wig in particular. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x6 pre-everything maximum parting space. So this is a full frontal glueless wig in the straight texture, and when I tell you straight babes, this hair is buttery silky smooth. It also has a drawstring feature at the back, so you can pull and secure it to kind of put it up and to make the overall fit of the wig even better. Look at the lace. Okay, so this gives you a lot of parting space. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to the lace. It's beautiful, first of all. Wow. Okay, so there's a lot of lace right here. Like, this is coming out too far. So what I'm going to do is cut some of that off. And there's still some extra lace right here as well. So we're gonna cut that because my ear ends right here. So I'm gonna go in. And that's a better fit for me. I also like to cut off the extra little lace that's right here. Okay, it comes with these glueless ear tabs, so you can just wear her gluelessly. I'm going to add some of the ear tabs.
No, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal.
Okay, we are secured and ready to go. This wig is absolutely beautiful, by the way. If you couldn't already tell, guys, I'm obsessed, okay? I didn't have to do much to become obsessed with it. I personally like my wigs to lay flat. If you like your wigs to have a hump or a bump, that is fine too. You can do you. I'm gonna go in with some of my wax stick. Okay, I'm gonna just go over it quickly with the hot comb, with the flat iron.
I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed.
Wow, this is some nice hair, y'all. This is so silky. Like, I am super impressed. I know you see that. And glueless. Look at that deep parting space. Yeah, you can, a lot of wigs would stop right here. This wig goes all the way back here. Okay, and it has this little drawstring at the back. So you just pull the drawstring. You just pull the drawstring and secure it. And you tuck it under.
So that's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart.
This is some nice hair. This hair is gorgeous. Wow. 10 out of 10. If you want beautiful straight hair in the form of a wig, go check them out at Ashimary Hair, because this wig is beautiful. I like the added extra lace. It gave me the opportunity to really customize the hairline that I wanted rather than being stuck with a hairline that I don't want. Running your hands through it, you don't feel any wig cap, you don't feel any tracks. It just feels like hair. I think that's a great selling point. This is cute.
Time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion.
I can't really braid with my nails, so it's not like the neatest braid.
So that's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, that's impressive.
That is the end of today's video. I love this wig and I definitely recommend you guys checking it out. It's absolutely gorgeous. You're definitely going to want to check it out because that big body frontal is what we need all summer long. Let me know what styles I could have come up with that I didn't think about, or maybe you'd like to see in a future video. You can leave that in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys later in another video sometime soon. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already.